Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily apply job in Amazon warehouse in Canada. So all you have to do is head over to ca.indeed.com. There are actually other sites wherein you can apply, but Indeed is one of the best sites where you can apply for the Amazon warehouse position. So from the Indeed webpage, all you have to do is head over to search job title, and right off the bat, we're just going to type in Amazon warehouse. Then next is just enter in the city or province. Just type in Canada. Then just click on find jobs. So as of the moment, this is the only available job opening that is available in Canada. And to apply for the job, all you have to do is click on apply now. You can also read the full job description to see if you're fit for the role. So to proceed with your application, make sure that you already have an existing account in Indeed, and you can also log in using your Google or Apple account or using an email. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!